And Jamaicans are reacting to the first COVID-19 confirmed case on the island. Our news team observed persons on the streets of the nation's capital today.
I don't really like it. You notice me get up and all these things? Yeah, we don't like it. Jamaica is a nice country and we don't really want it here.
I've been preparing from before the virus was confirmed. I was taking it very seriously. Even when, before now, when I wear my mask at work and things, people are laughing and them not take it serious, but I take it very serious.
Washing of the hands, sneezing your things and throw it away, wash your pipe top. Just practice safe hygiene, don't panic, pray and have faith in God. It's only God going to bring us through this.
Believe it or not, I'm not troubled, because when I read the Bible, it tells me about this thing gonna come to pass. And Jesus tell me that let not my heart be troubled. Believe in God and also believe in me.
Well, we all know that it was coming. It was just a matter of when. So all we have to do now is just take precaution, make sure that we're washing our hands and not putting our hands in our mouth and our faces. I
feel like God have our back, but we still have to take the necessary precautions.